make sure you get one of these and you can save a lot of money. What's up guys, my name is Chuck and this is a quick little tip how you can save a lot of money on spray caps. So the piece that you see over there, I just painted it. So that means I got some used caps over here. So the traditional way of cleaning a cap that you just used is by holding the can upside down and spray until there's only gas coming out of the can instead of paint. This will clear out the cap and prevent it from clogging. But this doesn't always work because there is a big chance there is still paint inside the cap. But what if you can make it 100% sure, you can use the cap again with just a couple of sprays with this one. The cap cleaner will remove all the paint that's inside the cap and you can use it for the next time. And then of course there's another big question. Can it also save caps that are already clogged? Let's test it out. So this one clearly doesn't work anymore. So let's see if we can get it back to work after using this acetone cap cleaner spray. Oh, there it is. It's actually coming back to life. So there you go guys, it definitely works. But I'm not joking when I say I think that you can clean like 100 caps with one can. So if you can save those skinny caps and outline caps with one can of this, you can save a lot of money. So there you go guys, just a simple and quick tip.